And welcome back to my channel. I'm Jen from Flip Family, and I'm gonna share my secrets on how to make a soft-boiled egg. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So you want to boil your water first, and then get your eggs out. Keep it on your counter, keep it at room temperature. If you forget, that's fine. I forget all the time. Just make sure you get your eggs once the water is boiled, and then add it to the boiling water, and then set your timer. This is very important. You want to cook this for 6 minutes. Yes, 6 minutes, because you want that soft consistency inside where it's not too runny, but runny enough to be a soft-boiled egg. So 6 minutes is your key time. So set that timer. And while that's cooking, start getting the ice bath. So that's my other secret. You will need an ice bath. So once the eggs are done cooking after 6 minutes, you want to put it in the ice bath so you can stop all the cooking. You don't want to further cook it, so the ice bath stops it. So get some ice from your freezer and then add water to create your ice bath. So once time is up, get your eggs, put it in the ice bath and let it cool, and you're ready to peel it and cut open your soft-boiled egg. Let's see how this looks. All right, so this is done. So I'm gonna open one up and see how it is. So there may be liquid in it. Looks like this one, some of it has already cracked open, which is okay. Not perfect. Gonna be gentle with this, because this is not a hard-boiled egg. I want to be very gentle when I peel this, because I don't want to break it. I want to make this as perfect as possible. Okay, I'm gonna cut this open. Let's see how it is. Yes, perfect. Look at that. So it's not cooked all the way through. You can see the edges is starting to cook, but this is the perfect consistency. Not too runny, and that's what a soft-boiled egg is. Not too runny and not overcooked. So if you want it more runny, you just have to cook it for less time. So we like to eat soft-boiled eggs in a lot of our dishes, like my Japanese egg salad sandwiches. Catch that video. I'll leave the link below. Also, you probably can click it at the end in salog, which is a Filipino breakfast, and I'll show you how to cook that in our upcoming video. What else? We use soft-boiled eggs for basically almost anything. It's just so good. And if I don't want to fry an egg, I like to cook it in bulk as well. So you can cook soft-boiled eggs ahead of time. Just don't peel it right away. Peel it when you're ready to cook. So that's another good tip. So, you guys, comment below. I'd love to know how you like to eat your eggs. My son personally likes them hard-boiled and scrambled. My daughter, not so much an egg fan, but I think she's starting to get used to it because we eat eggs all the time. But comment below. I'd love to know what you guys like to eat your eggs with. And before we go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can get notified of all the videos we upload every week. And I got a freebie for you guys. I'm gonna keep the link down below for a freebie just for enjoying this video. It is my meal prep secrets guide. If you want to learn more of my secrets, get the freebie below and you'll be able to download it right away. All right, everyone, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!